Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to make your text look taller, more standout, or simply more aesthetic in Canva, then this quick tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make text taller in Canva step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a full guide, updated with Canva's latest features, so let's get started. First, open Canva and load up the design you're working on. You can use any template, Instagram post, YouTube, thumbnail, banner, or even a presentation. Once your project is open, click on the text you want to edit. You can use an existing text box or add a new one by clicking the text option from the left toolbar. Now, once your text is selected, you'll see the text editing toolbar at the top of the screen. Most people try to stretch the text box manually, but that doesn't actually make the letters taller. Instead, we'll use the font size and spacing controls. First, to make the text taller in a simple way, click the font size drop-down at the top. Increase the font size by clicking the upward arrow or by typing in a larger number manually. Canva lets you go beyond the default sizes, so don't be afraid to type in something like 150 or even 300 if you want a bold, tall headline effect. This is the fastest way to increase height. But what if you want your text to look tall and slim without making it too wide or too bold? Here's a pro tip. Click on spacing in the toolbar. Under line height, reduce the spacing to compress the text vertically. Then under letter spacing, slightly increase the spacing to make each letter stand taller and more readable. This combination gives your design a clean, professional style, great for modern logos, titles, and thumbnails. Well, and if you want to go even further, Canva now has a font style feature that lets you adjust the thickness and curve. Experiment with this to fine-tune your text height and style exactly the way you want. And that's it. Making your text taller in Canva is simple once you know where to look. Just adjust the font size, tweak spacing, try tall fonts, and your design will instantly look more professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want more Canva tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.